Since July 2019, it has been mandatory to install a warning sound generator in electric cars. This is due to a new EU Directive. This stipulates that initially in a newly certified hybrid, electric, and fuel cell vehicles, also trucks and buses, the Acoustic Vehicle Alerting System, AVAS, must be installed for the protection of the other road users. In Europe, the acoustic warning is mandatory up to a speed of 20 km per hour. The directive formulates the parameters for how an AVAS warning may and may not sound in great detail. This applies, for example, to the minimum and maximum sound volume and the certain sound components.